SIMREX X900 Drone Optical Flow Positioning RC Quadcopter with 1080p HD camera, altitude hold headless mode, foldable FPV drones with live video 3D flip 6-axis RTF, easy fly steady for learning wide. Phone direct control with transmission or transmitter control with smartphone. Apple iOS/Android phones compatible. Altitude hold. You can release the throttle stick, and the drone will keep the current height. One key takeoff and landing. Super easy to fly and easy to shoot quality images or videos with Wi-Fi real-time HD camera. Headless security mode. The pilot can fly the drone to any location without worrying about which direction the drone is facing. Help binder to prevent from losing the direction. Foldable design. Bring it anywhere, saves the space with folding size. 130 x 90 x 45 mm. Range. About 80 to 120 meters. Flight time. About 12 to 15 minutes. Charging time. About 90 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.